Sister Bashina, see you in this class. For production, what's the best position for the weekend podcast?
What do you mean by that?
Production.
Get right here, man.
Yes, come back. Are you referring to? What a question. Are you with your senses? Are you referring to me? I was talking here. I asked you not to go out. Then no.
It's not like I want to disrespect you, sir.
You must be very stupid. What a
Check your phone.
Eh? 1 million naira. I got you.
You see 1 million naira, you fail. You see 20, come.
Maybe you know book and you understand this very well. Continue now. And you know this way, and to more way, no more way. I want more way, any more way. My more way, you know now. I want my guy. Shall we go and fly you?
No idea. You just go to calling Tony Sisi. No idea. You don't go here. No idea. In fact, I don't have. No matter if no matter going through bus. Hello. What? Yeah. You know. Hey, my benefit. And all I oppress you, I have my love that girlfriend, you I see they go with the no. If I shake you, I see they go with the no. My baby, see why.